So guys, today we're going to Hasbro Kite Motor Ride. So cool. So guys, what are you waiting for? Alright, so okay, let's jump to the other one. So guys, this is the R1300. It's R1300 GS. As you can see, meron siyang fog light at meron siyang shock dito. Look at this design. It's a BMW. Look at the braking system on this one. It's really sleek. It's a dual disc brake. Dual ang disc brake niya, guys. Another one fog light here on that side. Nakikita nyo doon sa loob niya. So, has a dual disc brake system. So meron siyang sensor. Again, this one comes with a 3-year warranty and whatever comes first, 36,000 miles warranty plus roadside assistance. So you can always call them and they'll come and pick you up. Alright, look at this. It's nice. There's a phone holder here, odometer here. Meron protection dyan. With the SOS. Okay, comes with it. And this one has an automatic retractable. See other steps for passenger. Ganda siya. Very nice. Here, here, another stroke shocks there. Alright, let's check the price. Checking again. This is 2025 R1300 GS. So the suggested base retail price is 19,495. Ang retail price niya is 27,740 plus tax, of course. And this one has a 1300cc, 145 horsepower at 750 RPM. Ang bilis masyado. Alright. This is R1300. go here. So this is another R1300. Another R1300. Wow, look at this, guys. This is the GS. There's your baby right here. Get the option 719. Got like aerodynamic here. It looks like a fan, cooling fan. The radiator right here, same thing. Meron pa rin siyang ano dito. So this is a BMW braking system. Dual disc brake. Okay. Hindi siya Brembo. It's really nice. BMW. You got your BMW there. Another sensor here. So meron siyang pang dito. The design is okay. There's another meron siyang fog light dito, guys. Tsaka ganda ng headlights niya. Look. LED. So nice. You got the windshield. And you got the signal here. Ganda ng design niya. So nice. Look at this. We'll find out the price later on. So this is all GS, guys. Never owned one like this, but I do have BMW. I have the X6. Okay. And another one for the passenger here. You can easily fold them. Nice. It's clutch, I guess. I don't know what this is. Oh, side. For the side box, whatever you call that. It's already there. It comes with it. So you can put the plate. You can mount it there. Very nice. Big bike. It's R1300. No, R1300. So 1300 definitely it's like 1000 cc or more. Ganda siya, guys. So good. And the price, this is 2025 R1380V. Oh, this is ADV. Alright, suggested base retail price is 2,000, so we need 45, and retail price including everything whatever comes with this one model is 30,300. or 5 plus tax. It's not bad, guys, for this kind of luxury.